A day with my pet. Today I spent a wonderful day with my pet dog Max. We woke up early and I fed him his favorite breakfast. Max wagged his tail and barked happily. After breakfast, we went for a walk in the park. He loved sniffing the flowers and chasing butterflies. I threw a ball for him and he ran fast to fetch it. It made me laugh to see him run. Later, we sat under a tree and I petted him gently. Max likes to cuddle and I love it too. After our walk, we played at home. I taught him some new tricks, like sitting and rolling over. Max is very smart. In the evening, we relaxed on the couch and watched TV together. Spending time with Max makes me feel happy and loved. I can't wait for another fun day with my best friend.